Broadband light treatment to the face involves using a very bright light with different filters to treat unwanted red spots and brown spots on the face. It is a non-ablative laser. It has no downtime. It doesn't burn the skin. What it does is it selectively injures the underlying red spots and brown spots. The top layer of that pigment, whether it's red or brown, is then charred on the inside, and your body will then clear that pigment away. And then it exposes the pigment underneath. So normally people who have not been getting broadband light treatments, they need to have a treatment done every 3 to 4 weeks initially to catch up and get rid of those red and brown spots. Maybe it takes 2, 3, 4 treatments, and then another treatment every 3, 4 months as maintenance to keep the red and brown spots at bay. The reason that you often require multiple treatments 3 to 4 weeks apart is because only the top layer exposed to the light gets injured each time. And then it takes a little while for your body to clear that away and expose the underlying pigment before we can hit it again with the bright light. So broadband light, or IPL, BBL IPL to the face, the goal is to treat red and brown spots. It's non-ablative, there's no downtime. The only thing to keep in mind is it oftentimes requires multiple treatments to clear those red and brown spots away. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.